M&J Productions, our first YouTube video. Here we go.
Tick, 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 tick.
Snape, Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Ron, Ron, Ron Weasley. Hermione. Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter.
Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry. Dumbledore!
What is that mysterious ticking noise?
It's a pipe bomb!
Voldemort,
Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort. Ba-dum-bum. No, I don't know. Wow, wasn't that so cool? Of course it was. Okay, let's see. Another YouTube video we know. Kittens Inspired by Kittens. I'm hungry.
I'm weird.
I have to go potty.
We're in Hawaii. We're eating pepper and chips.
Oh, why is this so hard? Oh my goodness. Oh. I'm her mother. No, she's not. Oh, it's late at night and we are bored.
I'm bored.
I am too.
Well, that's about all.
It's a pipe bomb. Oh no.